Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by opening a Zerodha trading and demat account and fund it sufficiently. Verify KYC, link your bank, and enable trading permissions quickly. Understand brokerage. Zerodha charges rupee 20 or 0.03% per executed order, whichever is lower. Learn product types. Use MIS for intraday leverage and exposure. Use BO or CO to place protective stop loss automatically. Remember segments, equity, F and O, and currency have different margins and rules. Confirm margin available before placing any trade to avoid rejection. Log into Kite and search the instrument you want to trade for intraday. Choose MIS to use margin and enter the desired quantity based on available leverage. Prefer bracket order BO or cover order CO to place stop loss and target at the same time. Calculate position size. If you have rupee 50, 000 and 5x leverage, you control rupee 250, 000 of exposure. Use market or limit orders depending on liquidity and slippage tolerance. Monitor order status and confirmations after placement carefully. Manage risk by limiting exposure and risking only 1% to 2% of capital per trade. Set stop loss using volatility measures like ATR or fixed percentage between 0.5% and 1.5%. Use target-to-stop ratios of at least 2 to 1 to maintain positive expectancy. Note that Zerodha auto square-off occurs around 15:20 for many intraday MIS positions, so plan exits before that time. Remember to include brokerage, exchange charges, and taxes when you calculate net profit and loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.